Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Subaru Impreza. First, understand that lifting your Impreza significantly enhances its off-road capability and allows for fitting larger tires. Next, carefully select a lift kit that suits your specific needs, typically offering 1 to 2 inches of additional height. Finally, ensure you have all the necessary tools, such as a floor jack, jack stands, and a reliable torque wrench, ready before you begin. Now, let's tackle the front suspension. Begin by safely raising the front of your Impreza and securing it firmly on jack stands. This is crucial for your safety. Next, you'll need to disconnect components such as the sway bar and links and any brake line brackets that might interfere. Finally, carefully install the front lift spacers or new struts, following your kit's specific instructions for a proper fit. Moving to the rear, repeat the crucial step of safely lifting your vehicle and securing it on jack stands. Once stable, proceed to remove the existing rear suspension components, which typically include the springs or struts. Then, carefully install the new rear lift components from your kit. Double-check that all parts are correctly aligned and seated to ensure proper function and safety. After installing your lift, it's vital to recheck all bolts and nuts, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. The next critical step is to get a professional wheel alignment. This will correct any changes in camber and toe angles, preventing premature tire wear and ensuring proper handling. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.